Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how accurate your Borrowell credit score is. The Borrowell credit score is legitimate and accurate, but you need to understand exactly what it is. First, Borrowell provides you with your Equifax credit score, specifically the Equifax Risk Score, or ERS 2.0. Equifax is one of the two major consumer credit bureaus in Canada, the other being TransUnion. The score is calculated directly from the data in your Equifax credit report, using Equifax's own scoring model. However, here is the crucial point: the credit score used by a lender when you apply for a loan or a credit card may differ from the one you see on Borrowell. Why? Lenders may use a slightly different version of the Equifax score, a completely different score from the other bureau, TransUnion, or a proprietary scoring model tailored to their specific type of lending. Canada's credit bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion, use different scoring models, and sometimes a lender may only report your credit activity to one of them. For these reasons, it is normal to have slightly different scores across different platforms and for the score a lender uses to be different from your Borrowell score. So, how accurate is your Borrowell score? It is a perfectly accurate representation of the Equifax Risk Score 2.0 based on your Equifax credit file. It is a fantastic tool for monitoring your credit health and understanding the general trend of your credit. If your Borrowell score is improving, your scores with lenders are likely improving too. The score provides a consistent baseline for you to track your financial health over time. Focus on the factors that build your score, like paying on time and keeping your credit utilization low. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.